How to get a custom logo on ESPN Fantasy Football. Hello Fantasy Football fans, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a custom logo on your ESPN Fantasy Football team. A custom logo is a great way to make your team stand out, so let's get started. First, open up the ESPN Fantasy app on your phone or tablet. Once the app is loaded, tap on Football and select your league, and then go to your team page by tapping on your team name. In the top right corner of your screen, you'll see a gear icon for settings. Tap on that to open your team settings. Scroll down until you see the option that says Edit Team Logo, then tap on it. And here you'll have the option to choose a logo from ESPN's default gallery. But we want to upload a custom logo, so tap on Upload Custom Image. Next, select an image from your device's gallery, so make sure your logo is in the right format, usually JPEG or PNG, and fits within ESPN's size requirements. Once you've selected your image, tap on Done or Upload to set it as your team logo. After uploading your custom logo, make sure to tap Save to apply the changes. And there you have it. Your team now has a custom logo, making it unique and personal. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching.